Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make barbecue steak in the air fryer oven. Yes, barbecue steak in the air fryer oven. Oh, can't you just taste it? Okay, let's get started, okay? Okay, so what we have here is my steak that I already seasoned, okay? And let me tell you what I have on it. I have garlic, ground garlic, Larry seasoning salt, black pepper, and I did this on both sides, guys, and cumin. Cumin is the star of the day today. Okay. So I put it on both sides and then I rubbed it in as if it was a rub. Okay? Alright. And I already oiled my wrap on both sides. Let's just put our steak in. And let's set that up. Okay. So we're going to turn it on. Let's cook it on, 370 works a steak for 15 minutes, and we're going to check it in probably 10 minutes. We're going to turn it over, okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, let's check out our steak. 1 second. Okay, so you can hear our time has stopped and it has been cooking for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out and turn it over because it's not ready. Oh, let me show you. Okay, it's not ready. I have to turn it over. Okay. And we're going to let that cook for, let's go with another 5 minutes. That will be a total of 20 minutes. And then I'm going to take the temperature. Okay, we got 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay guys, let me give you the word of the day. Oh, my light is not on once. Okay, is this better? It is in the dark. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day real quick. The word of the day is, and we have 3 minutes left on our steak. These shootings. Last night, well yesterday, it was 2 shootings. One, I think, in the south, and then another one in Ohio at 1 in the morning. This is crazy. You know, let's pray for everybody. And pray that God stop all these shootings, because you know innocent lives are being taken for no reason. For these people own desire, and whatever message they're trying to bring is an awful hate message. Okay, so let's pray, because prayer changes things, that God stop all these shootings, because you know, not only are they killing people, they're also hurting themselves, okay? And we need prayer right now. Please, please, let's pray that God do something about these shootings. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Give that a thumbs up, will you please? And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Okay, so now we're going to put the barbecue sauce on the steak. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so here's our steak. Let's take a temperature, see what's going on. I'm putting it right into the middle, guys. $150, $155 is good. That gives us like a medium well It could be medium rare depending on if we put it back in. Okay, we're only at 139. Okay, that's perfect because I want to put our barbecue sauce on. Remember, this is barbecue steak. And let me put the sauce on, and then I'm going to show you. And we want that barbecue sauce to cook right on the steak itself. Oh my goodness. Okay, you notice how I'm letting that barbecue sauce run right over the edge. We want it all to have barbecue sauce on it. All of it. Okay. Now I'm going to put that back in. So, I think we're going to be good on maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes will be enough time to finish cooking and to also caramelize that barbecue sauce on there. Okay, let me take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had a minute left, so that's a total of, so that's 15, 20, 25 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay guys, our time have ended. Oh boy, look at the steak. Okay, and let me clean this up. Okay guys, there's our barbecue steak, huh? How about that? Okay, let's take a temperature. It's moving fast, that's a good sign. Okay, so I hope you guys see that this is another way that you can eat steak, right? Which is a good thing. Absolutely marvelous. Okay, so we're up at 149. That's like a medium rare. Okay? So, I think I'm okay with that. Okay? Let me just cut it right down the middle and show you. Now, typically you should let the steak rest, but you know, I'm videotaping, so I'm gonna cut it now. And I said it should be a medium rare, right? Okay. Let me show you that, the middle of this. See? Now, that's a medium rare, okay? if you like your steak like that, it's like a pinkish color in the middle. And if you don't like it like this and you want yours more well done, okay, put it back in and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, because steak, how you cook it and how you eat it is all your choice. Okay, but I'm okay with mine like that. Okay, so until next time, another delight. How about that, huh? You should make barbecue steak for your family, okay? And if people like it different ways, maybe your kids need theirs well done, maybe you like yours medium rare, maybe, I don't know, you may have to, you know, cut it into sections and cook it to satisfy everybody in the family, okay? Alright, so until next time, thank you for stopping by. Hit that thumbs up if you like it, okay? And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Pray for all the people that got shot and their family and what they're going through, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe.